Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you watch my channel, Micro Investor. So I've been getting a lot of requests to talk about NEO stock again. So let's get to what is going on with NEO. So NEO, who is a pioneer of China's premium electric vehicle market, also referred to as the Tesla of China by some people, announced on February 6th the sale of convertible notes to two unaffiliated Asian-based investment funds, one for a principal amount of 70 million and another one for 30 million. So the notes to be issued to the purchaser bear zero interest and mature on February 4th, 2021. So prior to the maturity of the notes, the holder has the right to convert the notes to NEO's Class A ordinary shares for the price of $3.07 per share. NEO also said that they're working on several other financing projects, but currently the future of them are uncertain at this moment, and they'll have to get back to us with updates. So I'll discuss the first minute and 20 seconds of this video a little bit later, because now I want to get to their sales for January. So NEO delivered 1,598 vehicles in January of 2020, and that's down 11.5% from the same month of 2019. So January 2019, they actually sold more vehicles. NEO says the reason why there was less sales in January 2020 than there were of January 2019 was because that they were open less days, because the Chinese government, extended the New Year's holiday, so there were less business days that NEO was able to be open, because of course they're trying to take precautions because of the coronavirus and trying to help prevent a much bigger outbreak in that country. Out of their 1,598 deliveries that they had in January, 1,493 of those were of their ES6, their 5-seater SUV model, and 105 of those were of their ES8, their 7-seater bigger SUV model. So for all deliveries from day one, NEO has now delivered 33,511 vehicles. So NEO was supposed to start fulfilling the pre-orders of their newest vehicle launch, the EC6, their 5-seater coupe SUV, crossover SUV, whatever you want to call it. That's supposed to be coming out, but that's also been delayed now because of everything that's going on with the coronavirus. From what I hear, is customers have been calling in and asking questions about when are they going to be able to get their vehicle, and some of them are being told, call back in April. So that's been delayed a bit from what I understand. So as an investor who is bullish on NEO, I don't really see all this setbacks that they're getting because of the coronavirus really hurting them too much, because that's also affecting all of China. Even Tesla had to shut down their Shanghai factory for a while. So I don't really see the coronavirus really affecting them in the very long run. Of course, it's giving them some setbacks, but I think that's something that they can easily overcome. But as far as the other issue, as far as their cash burn, that's a whole different problem. So now let's go back to the short-term convertible notes. That's great that NEO was able to get $100 million. But what my concern is, what happens next quarter when NEO burns through all that cash and they need more? Can they work out another deal where the new loan can also be traded in for stock? And if so, what's the amount of money that they can, cash it in for? Could it be like $2.90 or something less? And what worries me is, what price is NEO stock going to be in February of 2021? It can be an $8 stock again, it could be a $10 stock again, or it can be a much bigger stock. It could be $30 a share, $40 a share. Who knows where it's going to be? And my concern is that the loan can get them, 1 million shares or etc. more for a very low amount of money. So that's actually close to 1 million shares for one of the unaffiliated funds and close to 3 million for the other one, and that's at a price that is cheaper than what the stock is right now. So that's what worries me a lot, because whoever made this deal, they got a pretty crazy deal, because they get the money back regardless, or they can just cash it in for stock. And really, I mean, this stock could really be a lot more money in 2021. So I hope it comes out eventually who were the ones that put up the $100 million. But with Bailey Gifford and Tencent being such large investors in the NEO, I wouldn't really think that that any sort of bad deal would really be able to happen. And who knows, maybe both of them could have had some sort of affiliation with this. And in that case, one of them could possibly be the majority shareholder of NEO if that was to happen. But with both them being invested in them, I'm still very bullish on NEO because of that, just because of, with them being early investors in the Tesla, and where, Tesla was, able to go from there. So with that, I think that, everything is just going to be fine, looking out so far. But I am curious to know what you guys think about NEO. What are your thoughts on this $100 million? What are your thoughts on, the future going on from here? Please let me know. So as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out all the time on my channel. And real quick, I recently just hit 800 subscribers just like 2 days ago, and I'm already surpassing it. So thank you everybody who has subscribed. This is becoming really fun. So just keep the suggestions on the stocks coming. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.